The Audi Nuvolari is more than another exotic supercar. It represents a different way of building a performance car, proving that a company the size of Audi can dramatically speed up development without sacrificing engineering quality. From the first design sketch to a fully drivable prototype, the entire project took just 405 days. For a vehicle that introduces a new design language, a completely new hybrid powertrain, and more than 1,000 horsepower, that timeline is remarkable. Audi says the Nuvolari is the fastest and most powerful road car it has ever created. Rather than serving as a standalone halo model, it was developed as a technology showcase that will influence future vehicles across the brand. Everything from its engineering process to its advanced hybrid system is intended to help shape the next generation of Audi performance models. At the center of the Nuvolari is an advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged 8-cylinder engine with 3 axial flux electric motors. Together, they produce an incredible 1,001 metric horsepower, making the Nuvolari the most powerful production vehicle Audi has ever introduced. The combustion engine alone delivers around 800 horsepower and revs to an astonishing 10,000 revolutions per minute, an unusually high figure for a turbocharged road car. The electric motors add instant torque while improving traction and acceleration through an advanced all-wheel drive system. A compact 7.3 kilowatt-hour battery supplies energy for the electric motors, creating a combination of brutal performance and cutting-edge electrification. Those numbers translate into breathtaking, real-world performance. Audi says the Nuvolari can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds before continuing to a top speed exceeding 350 kilometers per hour. That places it among the quickest and fastest production vehicles in the world. Speed alone, however, was never the entire objective. Audi wanted the Nuvolari to deliver confidence and precision, whether it was attacking a race circuit or driving on public roads. Engineers focused heavily on lightweight construction, extensive carbon fiber bodywork, active aerodynamics, advanced suspension tuning, and a high-performance braking system to make sure the car could match its incredible power with equally impressive control. One of the most interesting parts of the project was not the hardware, but the way Audi organized its development team. Instead of following the traditional structure used for most production vehicles, specialists in design, aerodynamics, vehicle dynamics, powertrain development, and engineering worked together as one highly focused unit. Decisions were made quickly, communication stayed direct, and every department remained closely connected throughout the project. Audi believes this collaborative approach played a major role in reducing development time to just 405 days without compromising the final result. The development program stretched across Europe. Designers began shaping the vehicle in Ingolstadt before engineers moved into extensive testing in multiple environments. Cold weather evaluations took place in Lapland, lightweight construction work continued in Neckarsulm, aerodynamic testing was completed inside Audi's wind tunnel in Ingolstadt, chassis tuning happened on roads in southern Spain, and high-speed testing pushed the Nuvolari to its limits at the famous Nardo Technical Center in Italy. Every stage contributed to refining the final product before it reached the public. Audi also brought Formula One experience directly into the project. After the prototype was completed, Audi Revolut Formula One team drivers Gabriel Bortoleto and Nico Hülkenberg evaluated the car during its final development phase. Bortoleto tested the Nuvolari on the high-speed circuit at Nardo, praising both its acceleration and the emotional sound produced by the powertrain. Hülkenberg later drove the car at Neustadt on der Donau, highlighting the astonishing acceleration and the impact of having more than 1,000 metric horsepower available at the driver's command. The Nuvolari officially made its world debut on June 4th, 2026, in Antibes, on the French Riviera, before making its public road appearance during the Formula One Monaco Grand Prix weekend. Audi considered Monaco the perfect location because it combines one of the world's most famous racing events with some of the most recognizable streets in motorsport. Introducing the Nuvolari there reinforced the close relationship between Audi's road car ambitions and its new Formula One program. Beyond performance, the Nuvolari also introduces Audi's future design direction. It is the first production model to fully embrace the company's latest styling philosophy, featuring cleaner surfaces, stronger proportions, and a more restrained approach than many modern supercars. The design has already received international recognition, earning the Design of the Year award at the United Kingdom-based Car Genius Awards. Judges praised the car for creating something fresh while remaining unmistakably Audi. Although the Nuvolari stands as a breathtaking supercar on its own, its biggest impact may be what comes next. The technologies developed during this ambitious project are expected to influence future Audi performance vehicles, electric models, and hybrid systems. Instead of viewing the Nuvolari as the finish line, Audi sees it as the starting point for an entirely new generation of innovation. For enthusiasts, the story goes beyond the impressive specifications. It is about watching one of Germany's most respected manufacturers rethink how a world-class supercar can be developed. Completing such an ambitious vehicle in just 405 days, while delivering more than 1,000 metric horsepower, Formula One tested performance, and award-winning design, is an achievement that few companies could accomplish. The Nuvolari is not simply another powerful Audi. It is a clear signal that the company wants to move faster, take greater risks, and create vehicles that feel exciting on both an emotional and technological level. The involvement of Formula One drivers also gives the project an additional layer of credibility. These drivers regularly operate some of the fastest and most technically advanced racing machines in the world. Their participation allowed Audi engineers to receive feedback from people who understand acceleration, braking, chassis balance, steering response, and high-speed stability at an elite level. Their reactions suggest that the Nuvolari delivers more than impressive figures on paper. It appears to create the kind of immediate response and emotional connection expected from a true flagship supercar. The sound of the Nuvolari may also become one of its defining characteristics. Modern electrified performance vehicles are often criticized for losing some of the drama associated with traditional combustion engines. Audi appears determined to avoid that problem. By combining a highly responsive 8-cylinder engine with electric assistance, the Nuvolari is designed to deliver instant acceleration without removing the mechanical sound and personality that enthusiasts value. Its hybrid system is not simply included to improve efficiency. The electric motors support performance by filling gaps in power delivery, providing immediate torque, and helping distribute power more effectively. This allows the combustion engine and electric system to work as a single coordinated unit. The result is a car that can launch with enormous force while maintaining traction and control. The all-wheel drive system is also expected to play an important role in making the Nuvolari manageable. Sending more than 1,000 horsepower to the road requires far more than large tires and powerful electronics. The vehicle must constantly calculate how much power each wheel can use, especially when accelerating out of corners or driving on surfaces with limited grip. Audi's experience with Quattro technology gives the company a strong foundation for managing this level of performance. Lightweight construction was another major focus. Hybrid systems add weight because they require electric motors, power electronics, cooling equipment, and a battery. Audi worked to offset that additional mass through extensive use of carbon fiber and other lightweight materials. Reducing weight improves nearly every part of the driving experience, including acceleration, braking, steering response, cornering ability, and energy efficiency. Aerodynamics also help the Nuvolari remain stable as speed increases. At more than 350 kilometers per hour, even small changes in airflow can have a major effect on balance and control. Active aerodynamic elements can adjust depending on driving conditions, creating additional stability when needed, while reducing drag during high-speed runs. This allows the vehicle to combine impressive straight-line performance with the downforce required for demanding corners. The Nuvolari's development story may be just as important as the finished car. Traditional vehicle programs can take several years, particularly when they involve a new powertrain, advanced materials, and an original design. Audi completed the journey from the first sketch to a drivable prototype in 405 days by giving a focused group of specialists greater freedom to make decisions and solve problems quickly. This approach could influence how future Audi models are created. Faster development does not necessarily mean rushing or ignoring quality. In this case, it meant reducing unnecessary delays, improving communication, and bringing different departments together earlier in the process. Designers, engineers, aerodynamic specialists, and powertrain experts were able to work alongside one another instead of waiting for information to move slowly between separate teams. The Nuvolari was tested in a wide range of environments because a supercar must perform consistently outside a controlled laboratory. Cold weather testing in Lapland allowed engineers to examine how the hybrid system, battery, electronics, and mechanical components behaved in extremely low temperatures. Testing in southern Spain provided warmer conditions and demanding roads for suspension development. Wind tunnel work in Ingolstadt helped refine airflow around the vehicle, while the Nardo Technical Center provided the space needed for sustained high-speed testing. Each location served a different purpose, giving Audi engineers the information required to improve reliability, stability, cooling, and overall performance. The world premiere in Antibes and the later appearance in Monaco connected the Nuvolari with luxury, motorsport, and international attention. Monaco is one of the most recognizable settings in automotive culture. Its narrow streets, famous harbor, and Formula One history made it an appropriate location for Audi to present its most powerful road car. The Nuvolari also arrives as Audi strengthens its connection with Formula One. The supercar gives the brand an opportunity to connect racing technology with future road vehicles. While a road car and a Formula One machine operate under completely different requirements, knowledge related to energy management, aerodynamics, materials, software, and thermal control can influence both areas. Visually, the Nuvolari avoids relying on unnecessary complexity. Its design uses strong proportions, clean surfaces, and recognizable Audi elements to create a shape that looks modern without appearing overloaded. That restraint helps separate it from supercars that depend on extreme vents, sharp creases, and oversized aerodynamic pieces to attract attention. The award recognition suggests that Audi's new design direction has already made a strong impression. Creating a vehicle that feels new while remaining recognizable is difficult, especially for a company with such an established identity. The Nuvolari needs to look special enough to lead the brand while still feeling like an Audi. What makes the project especially interesting is that Audi does not describe the Nuvolari as an isolated experiment. The company views it as a technological guide for future development. That means elements of its powertrain, software, construction methods, aerodynamics, and development strategy may eventually appear in more accessible Audi vehicles. Not every future Audi will receive more than 1,000 horsepower or a carbon fiber supercar body, but lessons learned from the Nuvolari could improve performance, efficiency, handling, and production methods throughout the lineup. This gives the car a purpose beyond exclusivity and headline-grabbing performance figures. The Audi Nuvolari represents speed in more than one sense. It is extremely fast on the road, but it was also developed at a pace rarely seen for such an advanced vehicle. Its combination of hybrid power, Formula One involvement, lightweight materials, active aerodynamics, and award-winning design makes it one of the most ambitious projects in Audi history. If the technologies and working methods behind the Nuvolari spread across the brand, its influence could last much longer than its production run. The car offers a preview of an Audi that is willing to move quickly, experiment with new ideas, and use motorsport knowledge to create more emotional road vehicles. The final result is a supercar built not only to break performance records, but also to change the way Audi develops its future models. With more than 1,000 metric horsepower, a development period of only 405 days, and direct feedback from Formula One drivers, the Nuvolari sends a clear message. Audi wants to enter a new era of performance, and this extraordinary machine is leading the way.